Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We will present our research paper entitled The Impact of Online Learning Assisted by MS Teams and Videos on Understanding Group Concept in Abstract Algebra Courses. My teams are myself, Yumiati from Universitas Terbuka, and Saleh Haji from Universitas Bengkulu. Our research was motivated by the low understanding of the group concept of student as presented by Rahayu Ningsi, Agustianingrum, and the team, and many others who said that the understanding of the group concept was still low. The group concept is part or is one of the concepts in the abstract algebra course, a compulsory subject in the S1, S1 of Mathematics Education Universitas Bengkulu. Meanwhile, the concept of the group is very important because it is the basis for understanding other materials in abstract algebra, such as rings, fields, ideals, and so on. The group concept is also related to other material in other courses, such as linear algebra, relation to the concept of vector space. At this time, we all know that the world is being hit by the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result of all learning in universities, even in schools, is online learning. Online learning that we do use MS Teams. Why we use MS Teams? Because MS Teams has its advantages that application can be used freely for a long time and it's free. It in contrast to Zoom. Zoom without paying can only be used for 45 minutes. Meanwhile, the learning media used to assist the student learning process, we use video. The advantage of using video is that it can be used by students over and over again. So our study use combination of using video and MS Teams application. Asynchronous using video and synchronous using MS Teams. The video contents show that explain the definition of groups, example of groups, and the properties of groups, and how to prove these properties. MS Teams is direct communication tool between student and students, also between student and lecturer. Through MS Teams, the material that has been obtained by students through video is strengthened again. Direct question and answer between student and lecturer are related to material that students do not understand when they watch the video. The type of research used is experimental research with one group pretest post-test design. Implementation of the research. First, students are given pretest about a group consisting of 3 questions through MS Teams. Then students are given a video that is sent via WA. Students are asked to watch the video to understand the group concept material. Then at the synchronous meeting through MS Teams, it was discussed strengthening the material that had been presented via video. Then at the end, there is a post-test test. Subject, 13 students of Universitas Bengkulu, Mathematics program, mathematics education program. Instrument used this research is a question in the form of an essay consisting of 3 questions. The result of study are shown in this table and diagram. There it appears that the pretest score is 2.74 with a maximum score of 10, and the post-test is 7.03. There was significant increase from pretest to post-test, and an increase of 0.57 was included in the medium category. Based on the result of the pretest, it appears that the initial ability of student is still low. Initial capabilities that still look low are the sets, function, and number operation. This is then overcome through online learning using MS Teams and videos so that students can understand the concept of groups in abstract algebra lecture well. Although interaction through MS Teams or learning videos, lecture can convey to students well the definition of groups and example. By composing material systematically and completely. Learning videos contain material presentation systematically and completely, while learning using the MS Teams application is carried out effectively using discussion and in-depth discussion of various problems experienced by students from the result of their learning through video. If they encounter problems when studying the material to learning video, the student convey these problems to the lecturer in meeting through MS Teams. Then the lecturer respond and discuss in depth the problem by include other students through interactive discussion. Yeah. Following this is student work. Here it appears that students already understand the concept of groups. Students are also able to give reason for each step in solving problems about groups. Although here there are errors when students describe the form of the set, namely the set of even number. Conclusion, it can be concluded here that online learning using MS Teams and video assistance can increase students' understanding of the group concept from a score of 2.74 increasing to 7.03, and the increase of 0.57 is in the medium category. Of course, this study cannot be generalized in general because the sample is limited. This is one of the limitations of our study. Another limitation is that there is no comparison with other online learning models. Therefore, it is hoped that future study will use a large sample and have a comparison class. Thus, the result of our research Hopefully this is useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.